What's the meaning of consonantal? Consonantal. Consonantal.
Consonantal. Consonantal. Consonantal is an adjective used to describe speech sounds that are produced with a degree of closure or friction in the vocal tract. These sounds are typically produced using the lips, tongue, teeth, or glottis and create a constriction or obstruction in the airflow. Consonantal sounds are distinct from vowel sounds, which are produced with an open vocal tract. Examples of consonantal sounds include /p/, /t/, /k/, /m/, /n/, and /s/. Understanding the distinctions between consonantal and vowel sounds is crucial for accurate speech production and effective communication.